My beloved brother, Mazi Neyere Anayo, you are welcome. I'm the first person to reach here. Ewo, Ewo, Biafra. I see you there. Onyebushi, my bloodline. I see you there. Coast City, I see you there. Raymond, I see you there. Prince Monday, I see you out there. Yes, you are welcome. Mubo no Vincent, I see you there. Yes, Emmanuel, Uwa Jesus, I see you there. Shimdi, I see you there. Claire Moses, Obarame, I see you there, my blood. Long live my blood. Stephanie, you are welcome. Obi, Israel, blessing. You are welcome. Please, as you are joining, share, invite our people. Invite our people to invite lovers of freedom to join us. Invite people of goodwill to join us. Invite everybody to join us. I don't know why I know how we play this thing. Shidi Chris, you are welcome. Oye, Kwere, Ekene, I see you there. You are welcome. Okay, Zie, Emeka Patrick. Maybe I go meet Mazi Emmanuel. May teach me how to play this thing, oh, eh? But they play for home. The thing they sweet me too much. Invite our people to join us. More sense, more message, more discuss, more. Invite them. When I wait, my go. I'm coming, please. End SARS, end police brutality, end Nigeria now. End Nigeria now. Chereno, I'm coming home. Yes, my people. Oh yeah, I'm gonna invite them, make them join us. Oh, build the iconic Biafra. I see you. You are welcome. Mazi Ekene Dani, I see you there. You are welcome. Thank you very much, my wonderful people, great Biafrans, friends of Biafra, people of goodwill all over the world. My name is Efe Uwanogo, Omotai Biafra, Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. If you're your first time you follow us on this page, Omotai Biafra 2. May you like, follow this page, press the notification bell so that you're going to get notified each time we be saying we day on air. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, Omotai Biafra. If you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, Omotai Biafra. If you don't never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I bet you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It not going to cost you anything. So, before we go straight to our topic of fellow Biafran lovers of freedom, friends of Biafra, people of goodwill all over the world, make we quickly say prayer to Oreno Lise, Chukokika Biama, also no blue word, Tamuno, make it see us through. And I'm not going to forget to tell you, say those of you when they follow me for my former page, Omote Biafra, they don't hack them. So if any, should the case when I see any post from that place, I know not with me they post them. And if possible, unfollow the page, unlike the page. If possible, report the page because it was hacked. So say prayer to Oreno Lise. Oreno Lise, Chukokika Biama, so no blue wear, Tamuno. Avemo we avesi kokore o wo na ava gonna discuss e kwakwa ijobi o affect avare as indigenous people of Biafra tai kwijobi all the trapped o vi damnable republic on Nigeria na oga no lise ava pe we mama oho vi roro vi endurance wo kava ava tinu na ava control e kwakwa ijobi wo tinu na oga no lise o de wa vo ive jiro na ave pere na oga no lise Chukokika Biama avasi welu avare as me mota avata kede ne yomi ana ijobi no obowe yoba also no na no we kede no go down increase avare spirit of determination avare spirit of focusness avare spirit of doggedness avare ka resources avare need avare Biafra avare kada continue that propagate gospel redemption na oga no listen whether continue that provide direct avare ko bo woji Moses vi Joshua re anya ve si le Israel no vi Egypt o woji mazina di kanu VIP obire anya ve si avare Biafra anya si like we do be trapped o vi damnable republic na oga no listen whether we si mazina di kanu kasa okuvo kemu kasa orare okpata Biafra joda de oyoyo wike organa na onya na oga no lise Chukokika Biama kadi portion imazina di kanu re IPOB leadership yakwijobi ohun ya genuinely I mention Biafra or they restore oga no lise whether provide whether guide whether protect irage oga no lise akwijobi propagate gospel redemption na ovi Biafra TV Biafra television Biafra radio ovi YouTube ovi Instagram ovi Twitter ovi Facebook kasa ada to talk about Biafra yoyowi akwijobi pa toto na oga no lise whether vero sai imazi Peters imazi Alozie imazi Kechukwu no di Jonathan imazi Chidera Mazi Obialo Unwa Chineke Ada Biafra Ojilu Street Talking Kavare Daniel Ozoro akwijobi patoto na anya mention Biafra or they restore oga no lise whether vero sai vero say e family rage aje dey available I watch me ogoruvo na I can watch me later oga no lise whether vero sai vero say family rage continue that increase the spirit of irresoluteness rage ona na ya no oga no lise Chukokika no blue well Tamuno no look avare avami Biafra say thank you very much my wonderful people my great Biafra. So this very moment my people when you discuss about something they happen since then as you see the way everything don't be because we say the claim that we let come for ground but I not land for ground I sustain for air the one I go land for ground but no I sustain for air. So my people now that's everything where they go on for the damnable republic of Nigeria. First of all make we start from this place. Una know say that they talk on every day they say now sin as in sin is believing when you that as in some people they now they say what the person this person they talk if I want to make a sin first before I go believe this thing whether not truth or lie. And some people say they easily to they brainwash as in when they hear something say not true you know all those kind of things. But I want to use this media to explain to my fellow Biafran lovers of freedom friends Biafra, people of goodwill all over the world. We love freedom all over the world. Una know say our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he the way they talk and say, give us Biafra. I say, let Nigeria be free. Free Nigeria so that Nigeria will not be there. Free Nigeria, free Biafra, so that if you refuse to free Biafra, if you refuse to free everybody that is trapped in the condemnable republic, the Niger area, he said Nigeria will be worse than Somalia. Sometimes ago, our supreme that they talk every day say they don't go White House, they don't go different places. They tell they say Nigeria is full of ethnicity. Nigeria is full of ethnicity. If they not do something about it, if you war break out, the thing go dey very disastrous. The thing go do this one, the thing go do that one. So for that reason, may we not agitate for Biafra again. So for that reason, may we drop Biafra agitation. First of all, before we go straight to most of the things we want to talk about, I want time every youth out there and woman out there for the street of the Republic of the Zoo called Nigeria. I want them for the job well done, for the end SARS, end police brutality. At the same time, the people when see they protest say, what do they end Nigeria, end all those things. I give una condos. And many other Biafrans and lovers of freedom out there, we not say a day like this go come. It not take us on, as in not take us unaware. We not say a day like this we call, because repeatedly the prophet of our time, he dey talk every day. He say a day will come, Nigeria will wake up and march on the street to demand for their freedom. He dey talk frequently. We are not surprised. We are not shocked. We only they prepare our mind. We this struggle. We only they protect this struggle. We only they fight to remain resolute, because we not say a day like this we call. When you see us, some people come outside to call the attack. We they attack people. We want try to pull us down. You just say we just carry the attack people. We they attack them so that we go see where we go for stand with our two legs. They fight with it. They fight. They sustain our struggle, because we know say this thing in as far as Nigeria, as in our first state, nothing they function in Nigeria, nothing they work in Nigeria. We know say a day like this will come. Even as you don't get any cities, even as dumb as it go be. Even in some cases, they're able to wake up. In some case. Some people say it's going to take like 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. They never see wake up. They never see wake up. So what they try to talk, as all of us don't see now today, I thank everybody when they make up their time, the celebrities, them, when they take upon themselves there for streets. We thank all of them. And some celebrities that never come outside, people like the Timaya, I never see Timaya picture. And they expect Timaya today on the street by now, because Timaya musician where he sing revolution music. We never see what do they call her? I never see Dr. Mighty. Maybe they don't there. I never see them. If I don't see them, I feel put out for you so that I will correct myself for the video. I never see them. All this Timaya. And the last time when I checked, now we for that area, we don't even face the brutality of SARS more than anybody for that place. Now we don't face our past. So I thank everybody. At least they not fear not let them protest in the name of Biafra. Fear not let them protest in the name of separation Nigeria. At least they see some more courage to come outside to protest in the name of a better Nigeria, in the name of ending SARS, in the name of give their lives, give their good school, give their good health center, give them all these things where normally as a citizen it is your right to demand for. So my people are happy, and they very most of all they very happy, and they very appreciative to see everybody on the street, and we they keep everybody picture, we they keep their record. Anybody, be you celebrity or an individual that refuse to come out on this process, you are an enemy of the people. Any individual, be you celebrity, Nigerian youth, supposedly you refuse to come outside on the street to protest, you are an enemy of the people, and your generation go suffer for refuse to come outside to speak on injustice when they affect every in that country. I want to use this media to tell you. I know say some of you know the day please. Each time they tell you now say Nigeria does not belong to you. I know say some of you know the day please. But we're not going to hesitate to that. We're not going to stop to talk because that is the facts of the matter. That is the fact of the matter. Now, the whole of the South and Middle Belt, they come outside and they protest. But today with the year, say the Northern Youth Forum, I be Northern Youth, I be Northern Governor, that they come outside, they counter the protest. The letter they know say, the Northern Youth, we are not in support of ending SARS. We the Northern Governor, we are not in support of ending SARS. And the letter they know today, when our Supreme Leader they tell us about Somalia will be better than Nigeria, some of us don't understand. Some of us don't understand what it means by Somalia will be better than Nigeria. As it is today, now the interest of you as an Urhobo man to stand up and fight. As it is today, it's an interest of you as a Benin man to stand up and fight. As it is today, now your interest as an Ishan man to stand up and start to fight for and start to fight for your interest. As it is today, as an Ijo, Igbanke, Okwane, every ethnicity in Nigeria, stand up and start to the wanna come outside on the street and start to fight for yourself. And I want to tell you now one method. As it is today, you start to speak for your ethnicity. As it is today, you start to speak for your people. Because in time without number, these people will come outside. If they won't compare or talk about this, the way they say, it go benefit us as a people. They go come outside, they tell you now say, we the Northern Youth against it. We this one. Before you know, they go bring talk out. I want you this minute to tell you, you therefore really they protest. You they protest against NSAS. And you want handle yourself. Now great Ughelli youths. Una therefore worry. Una want protest. Now great worry youths. Una therefore Bayelsa. Una want protest. Now great Bayelsa youths. Anywhere una day. Now great of that place wanna. Now great of that place wanna day. Anywhere wanna day. Sorry my people. Anywhere one a day, anywhere one I want go do protest, they call the names of the place, as in the place one for they do that protest. Mona make sure say, una not go the hail una self, great Nigerian youth, great Nigerian youth. People wait there for Asaba. People wait there for people wait there for what did they call her? Abuja, all those people, they feel they shout great Nigerian youth because the people when come together in that place, now people when be say they come from Bayelsa, they come from Imo State, they come from State, they come from Iguacha, where they call River State today, they come from Lagos. Now miss people there for that place. So if they shout great Nigerian youth, it good. If they shout great Nigerian youth for Lagos, so it good. But if you there for Ughelli, now great Ughelli youth, because Nigeria not help you for any way. You have been there for ages. You have been there for time with that number. They don't help you in any way. You don't get anything when we say Nigeria don't take the misery when you there today. Now Nigeria, now put you for that misery. The misery when you there today. Nigeria, now make you there for that misery. What did they call her? Ughelli, any city one for the do. Greater, if in a Edo State una date, great Edo State youths. There is no point of going there to call the shout great Nigerian youth, great Nigerian youth. The more you shout great Nigerian youth, the more you deeper yourself in a mess. Because we know say not only this mess, now fear go to enter the Zoo Republic, this damnable Republic government body. If you go the shout great Nigerian, you go say you never see no way till you they talk. I'm not saying you not protest against NSAS, they might support. And what did they call them? Police brutality and my support. Protest to end the damnable republic and my support. But when you start to stand on your own as an ethnicity or any state, one for they do that protest. It can be saying you come from Benin, you can't go now Ughelli you there, now the protest for meet you. Now great Ughelli youth, if in a worry you there, now great worry youth, if in a Orogun you there, now great Orogun youth. Let it sink to their heads. We know what they happen for that place. These people cannot come out on this Make they come they shout say great what did they call her? Great Northern youth, great Nigerian youth, great this one, and people when they dey for power, one of they shout great Nigerian youth. Now they go say go bring their people, come they counter on a protest. They say we are the Northerners. Our leader don't talk. He say Nigeria will be worse than Somalia if they refuse to free everybody that is trapped in that Nigeria. Some people never see or understand that. As Nigeria no wants make the Britain and the North make people free for that country. Now different flag they go soon they see on air as it is now. Different flag now they go they see on air. Because they don't say they don't talk on time without number. Say these are the people who came together to form this region. And in order for everybody to live in peace and harmony, let these people go their separate ways in peace. Una say no, they go in pieces. As una say they not go in peace, they will go in pieces. Because enough, you don't do enough. Una gather on yourself. Today, as it is, that's when they now, nobody is the leader of this protest. That is why when they talk, you don't even need to send message, go give anybody. You have a representative. You have a representative that is an robo. You have a representative who be Bini. You have a representative who be Ishan. You have a representative who be Okwane. You have a representative who be Agbo. Mona send message give them. Send message to them. You don't even need to speak English. Speak Urobo give them. Make it sink at their ear. Speak Okwane give them. Make it Igbo give them, make it enter their ear. Speak Bini give them, make it enter their ear. You don't with anybody. They are your representative. Speak out for their ear. Tell them say this thing when they call so now I go start to the cause. If I thought it go reach Aso Rock, start to speak to them in your dialect so that it go they sink enter their ear where. Because now them be your representative. Now then they go they talk anything where say that they talk for that place. There are a way, because we don't talk and say this kind of opportunity, it go there difficult for it to come. And we need to make use of it. Make use of it very well. We need to make use of it very well. We need to take advantage of it very well. By as in letting these people know, say, if una for the North, when they counter our protest, what would they do? As an daily youth, we are not going to accept it. As Warri youth, we are not going to accept it. As Asaba youth, accept it. As Bini youth, we are not going to accept it. As the Ishan youth, we are not going to accept it. Gone are those days. Everybody there for that place now. Even it don't go to the extent that say, even when Nigerian youths, so if I give anybody microphone, make them speak, they are not representing them. Nigerian youth give anybody microphone to speak today, so they know they see that person when they speak as their leader or somebody where they represent them. They give that opportunity for that youth to speak, so it not mean say they make that person their leader. I see video when somebody they talk, one man they talk. You don't want me to speak. I'm a representative of the Senate. You don't want me to speak, representative of the Senate. If you don't want me to speak because you see me that I'm young, I can go back. Now this is the trigger. Who are you? 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 Unlike before. Most people like that come, they go to shout, Baba, Egbon, oh, Alaye, oh, Shema, oh, Dogu. But now the reverse case now with the day today. Whatever I'm saying today is to motivate your spirit as a youth. May I be youth like una. If I were to be say for the zoo, Nigeria today, I for say they are Moguna for streets, they protest. That one is setting. Nigerian government or whosoever that has been they're responsible for the marginalization, the trapness of the every citizen in that country. Mona proven to them for this time say gone are those days. Say una ready to take una destiny, una future for una hands. Our supreme leader talk and say anybody will do good thing or will speak out, even despite the person, despite the person rubbish wey the person don't talk. He say make we still give an accolade. I listen to the when Oviomo Agege they talk for, excuse me, when they talk for senators, when they talk say if the northerners can be controlling their gold, say there are people still send income, make it consider, they say they want to be here. At least let's start from there. The last time he see make speech about say make them enter, because this is how they not only they collect money, that they go to the extent of taking people's life. That is where this opportunity to tell my people, you be Urobo, you be Isoko, you be Shekiri, you be Ijo, you be Igbo, you be Bini, you be Isha, you be Esako, you be all those places. Now you be talk to your people in your dialect. Let them know say you not go enter house without nothing. Let them know say this time around, you know they put anybody into consideration. Rather than they put yourself as the citizen into consideration. Let it be say now the citizen and the government, the politician, and they get this bege. Enough, don't be enough. Don't let anybody deceive you. I like the pattern of this protest. Nobody is our leader. They're not gonna see anybody call go one side, go Colombian or call one side, go deceive him. Gone are those days. Gone are those days. See what they do, Davido now. They be want you to as scapegoats before, so that they go call Davido now and come there. As in before they won't even get their way, they go even want to send the person come be bad person in front of the people first. How many of you see poster when Eze Diara, how many of you see the poster when he carry? How many of you see him? Zubi, how many of you see the poster? Some people don't read meaning to that poster. Some people don't know the gravity as the people. Some people don't know the importance of that thing. Because we all know say at last now ending of Nigeria now go be. Because they can never end SARS for your sake. Because they can never end police for your sake. Even with the restructuring and the same old one that they put for new bottle. So what it go happen? Now to finally crumble the foundation. Now to finally go our separate way. There is no way there was no how they will restructure Nigeria for you. It's not possible. It's not possible. The only way now we not go they ask, say if you go back, may they give una right to the control things by on herself as a citizen. So because some of us so love Nigeria. If you be say at all, so now won't even give up. May they give una right to the control herself as a people. Because every day we they talk and say, what did Biafra stand for? Now for every region to control themselves, to make law by themselves, to get their police, to get their civil by themselves, for themselves. Not be controlled by the federal. Because if an Uroboma is an IG of Delta State, or an Okwanema, or anybody from Delta State, and be the IG of Delta State, you know, go so much showing people so much brutality. Even some of our people are very wicked. For example, if commando they come from federal on what to do in your state, things will not get as worse as it is today. If you as an Uroboma, you go shoot innocent youth away, may you know say before you come back out, they don't burn your house, burn your family house, burn your children, join them. But as it is today, one man go come from Nigeria Republic, you know he has. He say in a SAS, he say in a army, he say in a police. Where you want trace and go? Where you want trace and go? Whereby you they wait for them, you kill her. Whereby if they transfer and go another place. If they transfer and go another place, you go sneaky. But if you know that Uroboma, when they live for Ugeli, they can go keep person for Ugeli. They know a rich ass. They know a rich ass. Even before you go cracking bullet to fire person, you go know say these people know me rich ass and they go find me cause. They not go judge this case like government case. Before even government go intervene, maybe they don't finish everything. They go conscious. They go retrieve their steps. all of una know say for the Bible when they talk and say the children of God that they suffer violence, and they can't take the violence one to take their freedom, take everything by force. At least now they exercise una rights, they exercise una rights as the citizen of the country. They exercise una right as a citizen of the country. What una need to do now be say to sustain this protest for every una demand to be met. And if they refuse to make, only the violent one that take it by force. Only the violent one that will take it by force. Did they tell small pikin when they beat me not cry? Not beat you finish, they say me you not cry. When all their children they are abroad, they say me you not cry, they say me you enter us, say they go fix things up. At least when I don't give them no less than 6 times to make a change. Now Nigerians and they get this message now. Una don't give una government chance to make a change for over 6 times. Banding to no avail. This time, don't let them win again. This time, don't let them win because you have kind of opportunity. Again, let nobody speak for you. You all should be speaking for yourselves. You all should speak for yourselves. You don't have a leader. We are all leaders. Make una use this opportunity. Make all of una shine the same time. Don't shine with your glory. Most of these people, they're not going to receive any bullet. Now, like una so now see they receive the bullet when they kill. When they happen for that place. Because now they're there for the forefront. Let nobody shine with this glory of protest. Let nobody shine with it. At the end of the day, they'll come give the appointment. No. If you not give person microphone to speak today, that same person microphone to speak again, give another person. Give another person. Don't let them make them not carry everything for an eye. And anybody, any zone, any state, any celebrity that refuse to come out and say something about this thing that is on ground, this protest that is on ground, is an enemy of the people. I don't see some people, they come outside say Ogbe boys now they can't attack them, and Ogbe boys they don't come outside, they counter the Ogbe boys for Benin City, they come outside, they counter the things and not be they go that place. I not be listening to those people now go that place, because even when those Ogbe boys say they even the best people for that place, the people when they do this thing now, this is SARS people. So the people, this not be Curtis fight. Oh, this is not Curtis fight, this is protest of a people. So I don't think any rightfully sensible civilian will come outside or citizen will come outside and attack their fellow citizen. These are the same SARS people. Come on, uniform, come get your Mayama clothes, go for that place. They be say youth they attack to disrupt the protest. I like what you na do to them. I'm not gonna say do more. Anyone na see, if like maybe your blood brother, now you can't come, now you can't represent that, now you be SARS when they kill people sit down, now won't try to end the coco, kill them, I'm gonna kill them for them. May they send a dead body, go give him mama for us. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Even as I'm here, even as everybody dey here like this, we dey feel, even as we dey for diaspora, we dey feel now. And most of our body now, our body now is dey. We know they see body pull water again. Because of call, this one, that one, that one, that one. We know they see body pull water. If everything they okay, even una go dey bother my people for diaspora. Una go dey bother my people. Everything they okay. We go dey follow Mediterranean Sea, we go dey follow desert. They try to walk on Europe. Things are not okay. That is why we must put an end to everything. End this SARS, just end this. And I like the way Nigerian youth still stand now. Not just to end SARS. Ending SARS is not even the problem. We should know that they can never end SARS, which they don't automatically overnight swap. They will never end it. They will never end it. And we went there for a year now. Apart from saying we want to go Nigerian embassy, which no Nigerian embassy not get for anywhere for abroad. We not get any help go fit do for now apart from talking. That is why you see sometimes if I hear the schools go social media, I call they see some presenters when they call themselves presenters. They for social media they fight themselves or they do what they do. Are they verse? Are they provoke? Are they verse? Bad as it bad. Okay, all this time now, Biafra agitation and they see on social media, when I say Nigeria is indefeasible, you cannot divide Nigeria, you cannot do this one. Now that the Nigerian want a better Nigeria now, they do rubbish. Now all this kind of women, all this kind of men, and they give birth to rubbish children. The foolish one grow old too. After the dog, they grow old, they can't give birth to foolish children. And those of their children will cause it grow old. Generation to generation. But I'm happy. The ones who don't wake up, they outnumber those foolish ones. I'm very happy. You there for diaspora. You there show child benefit. You there for diaspora. You there live comfortably. Everything they day okay for you. Where they come from, people they live for misery. At least you don't have followers, you have no less than 2,000 followers or 3,000 followers on your page. You cannot even post a piece of something, maybe end SARS, or even sit down one day, talk about it. You have no less than 30,000 followers, 40,000 something, I get 100 and something followers. All you use it to do is rubbish, gossip, cussing people out. Cussing people out. They see who sleep, who not sleep, who do this, who not do that one. Your roof is burning. This is not about Nnamdi Kanu. This is not about. This is about you. You. It's about you. Gone are those days. If you were there for abroad, you are still desperate, so manipulative, in order to take advantage of something to as in enrich yourself. Even when you have everything in a platter of gold, wait till you can't think about the people when they for home. I know of somebody when they talk say, and anyhow when won't be maybe for that place. In as far as saying that day for years, so no level. And if it was come to the worst, he go carry mama and papa. He go carry children, go carry them come abroad. Anyhow when they want to do Nigeria, I mean do one. Our leader they complain every day about the mentality of black people. About the of black people. You don't care about whatever that is happening back home. You only care about yourself and yourself alone. That is greed. That is greed to the core. At least if a person not dey slap, it go dey blow. If a person not dey blow, it go dey slap. Una gather una dey do. Mona carry una robo music. Una gather una dey do. Mona carry una Benin music. Una gather una dey do. Mona carry una Isha music. That's why it be so. That's why it be. Because the people that own Nigeria, they say they don't want all those protests. So you have to start speaking for the interest of your people. You have to start, when they stand on una own, say this is who we are, this is who we are. Because we have said the time without no. If they refuse to give everybody freedom in that country, Somalia will be better than Nigeria. I don't want to shout again and say they don't knock. Say man, that's how they shout. I'm very passionate about what, as in this thing when they talk, so I'm very passionate about it. Let it be that everybody is speaking for enough? You cannot hold protest in Uganda and be shouting great Nigerian youth. Who dirty great Nigerian youth is that? People that own Nigeria and their youth, they say they don't want your protest. You are still shouting great Nigerian youth. They can go and shout great Nigerian youth as an Yoruba person. You can go to Lagos and be shouting great Nigeria. You go to Abuja. But when you are in Ugeli, it's great Ugeli youth. When you are in Orogun, it's great Orogun youth. Let me the sick that not provoke. Timaya, you have to come outside and let me see you outside. I want to see Timaya outside. Timaya, I want to see you outside. I don't know whether you don't. I never see your picture. I don't take my time till they find everywhere. Whether I never see yours. When you won't come outside, because every celebrity now goes for Asaba, for everywhere. They come outside, they stand for front, they do their protest. I want that place. Stand in front and pull out one protest there. Now you're saying their mama, their papa. Oh. You don't forget. I know some of now it take it may room for now eye because now they feel say now so it will be now the can will continue shouting, now the can will continue shouting, he will continue shouting until he gets tired and enters. No. One thing that to start something, another thing that to sustain them. And they use this media to the same message they give some Yoruba claim self-acclaimed intellectuals. Some Yoruba self-acclaimed intellectuals. Back off. You back off. This time around then, you back off. When you want to make reference, you will quickly use the name of a nigga data man or one person for the SAT. They make reference. The criminality, the evil thief, as in brutality, when they happen for that, you don't use that to make reference. I'm going to speak English when it makes sense. We are no longer in that era, eh? We don't go past the era of intellectual coming out on national TV and be speaking anyhow. When you speak anyhow, you'll be stoned to death. You'll be stoned to death. You are using Ibori to make reference. Can't you use Gandola? Can't you use people like the Erofai? Is Ibori more terrible than them? As it constitute the nuisance when this demonic individual don't commit? What about the so-called Buhari? A tyranny of our time, even for now, a tyranny. Dictator. Right from the birth of this young, the way they young, this so-called Buhari, so he has been a dictator. At the age of 33 years, don't be dictator. You don't make reference with them. We call it trauma. They give people when never even commit any crime, when you reach half of what these people don't commit. What do you mean? So you're an intellectual. Who you help? Everybody should face their people. Everybody should face their people. Everybody should start to speak for their people. Let's put it to an end. Let's put everything to an end for the favor of you and your people. Enough of all those beating around the bush. Because the youth not really listen to now again now. When they don't come outside now, they talk rubbish. I won't let una know. As for the our Oduduwa people, our Southwest people, we have something on ground there. We have something on ground. IPOB is on ground to check any criminality or anybody that is trying to hijack this protest for our side. IPOB is on ground. We will not allow anybody to hijack it. So, Mona they make provision now. How una take coordinate. Mona they put things in place. How una go take coordinate. Una say not those bullshit. Una they individual of una, some of una when they accept her claim intellectual, they call the talk for social media. So it not go help and go burn everybody to ashes. What do you mean? Nigerian youth have proven to the cities, to the government that they don't have job. We don't have a job. We have found one. At least you went to America to call us a lazy youth. Now we have found one and we are here to do it and we will do it perfectly. What they need is encouragement. Nobody should criticize them. Nobody should speak against them. Nobody. Because freedom for one is freedom for all. And as united we stand, divided we go fall. You call them lazy youth. You call them all manner of names. Because they were really acting like lazy youth. This time is a revolution time. The youth are out there. Soon, women don't come out for Lagos. Soon, women go start to come out. Soon, old men go come out too. There must be revolution. And this start is not enough. But we thank God for the starting. And this is not enough. The total destination of the beginning of this protest is to end that country, end the foundation. That is where I love every damn broadcast when our Supreme Leader they give. He said your major problem is coming from Britain. Your major problem is coming from Britain. Because Britain, as Nigeria as it is a Britain company. And as a company, you have managers. You have managers, which is the role that the Fulani people are playing in that place as a manager. And if your company is crumbling, what will you do? Nobody go do everything possible. Manager, what are you doing? Are you quiet? Are you doing this one? Are you doing that one? They go even give a strategy. See how you go about it. That's what they are doing now. That is why you must stand your ground. Robo. Sit down. When they speak Robo, give them for a year. They let them know, say, us or whatever they call them. We go nowhere. We not go anywhere for this matter. All those James manager, all those miserable individuals when they for that place. When they call this now, speak Okwane for them for a year. Speak Okwane for them. Maybe the year. As somebody said, Kinado become governor for Edo State now. Mona call her to sit down. Mona speak Benin for a year. Speak Benin for a year. May year where. Speak Benin for a year. May year where. Zubi called placard. CEO Biano see Zubi. He said reform Nigeria. Do you know the meaning of reforming Nigeria? Do you know the meaning of reforming Nigeria? We should know that they will never reform Nigeria, which will lead to the ending of Nigeria. You don't know? Me, I quote the placard on my own. No, that is my own opinion. I quote her on my own. You and I know that Nigeria can never be reformed. If Nigeria can be reformed, in 1967, they should have reformed it. When we break out that war, even after that war, they should have reformed it. It can never be reformed. Reforming Nigeria, it means you won't take food from the manager of the company. Reforming the Nigeria, it means you want to make the manager useless. And there is any company that manager is useless. It's not possible. Manager cannot be useless. The employees or the workers will be relevant. It's not possible. I don't know if I'm making sense to my people. Our major priority now is an honorable man for you to stand on your own. As an job, stand, say, speak to Egmene, give your politician. As an Benin person, speak Benin, speak Benin for her, make it sink. They not go feel they pretend say they dey with una. While they go the whole meeting for behind, they find they want to quench the protest. No. Let them know, say, if anything happen, you are starting with them. You they start from them first. Nobody is the leader of this protest. That's my greatest joy. Even as I'm here, I'm protesting on my own, and nobody is leading me on this protest. I'm protesting as a supposed citizen of the that is trapped in the damnable republic called Nigeria. Nobody is leading me here. I'm on my own. No end SARS, no end police brutality, end the what do they call her? End everything. No, now we do. Nobody is leading us. For this oil protest for Nigeria, nobody. We are for ourselves. You don't allow people to continue taking advantage of you in the name of politician. If you go check all the politicians in the damnable republic called Nigeria today, you will not see any of their children in that place. You will not see any of their children in that place. Their children, they are abroad. They school. They eat on other people's expenses. I see some places when after the protest, they come say some Muslim people come outside, they come they pray. After that prayer, when Muslim people pray, I see where Christians go for one place, go light candle. Excuse me. The reason why I won't talk this thing every day, I know as it is today, many people they hide under religion till they do what they do. Many people they hide under religion till they do what they do. At least they were there. These people come outside to protest. It shows say they not be terrorists. It shows say being a Muslim does not mean you are automatically a terrorist. You know, it shows say being a Muslim don't mean say you go automatically be enemy of freedom. Being a Muslim not show say automatically you should not fight against injustice. The last time I checked, all these heavy Arab nations, they are doing well. They have good as in policy, good constitution where they guide them well, and they are being respected all over the world. But Fulani, right from time memorial, they have hidden under this religion, so-called religion with Islam, hide the constitution, all of that, to call they support them. Our supreme leader talk one thing when he enter my bone marrow. He say you go see 10 years, 9 years Fulani man. He carry cow, hefty cow, women, when they sell like some at 250,000. The body may zim. He say you go to see him, you go to push the cow, they go small. You go to use who they blaster the cow, whoa, move. You don't get choice, move. Yours, my people. That is why as an Urobo, you start to speak on your own. That is why as an every ethnicity, stop shouting Nigeria, great Nigeria. Because this has been the method of, as in when they say they rule you since then. Since you know 1 year, well, okay, we go bring SARS. You know 1 year, well, we go bring army. You know 1 year, well, we go bring DSS. You know 1 year, well, go, and the way they control with the human being, you can't be saying I'm gun and bullets. Gun and bullets. We must all stand up now. We must all stand up now. Do the needful. Do the needful. You don't want Nigeria to end. You do the needful. You do the needful. The movie industry don't they for that. Not even get industry for that country. Industry. Una theater at IB. Una they grow past the way una they. They say the children of God suffer violence, and it's only the violent one that took it by force. You are all leader of your own. Don't let anybody take your glory. Don't let them shine with your glory. Tomorrow they'll go get the appointment. No. You no go school, shine with this protest. Shine with this protest by standing resolute. When it ends and everything becomes successful for the benefit of everybody, you will see how you will shine. You no go believe. Because you go give everybody right to live equally. You go give everybody right to live equally. Now you go, they order your police. Now you go, police go come meet you for inside car. The first thing when you go tell you, say, before you go over, ask you, say, where is your particular? You go say, good morning, sir. Now you go look and you go say, good morning. How are you, officer? You go say, I'm fine. No, when officer see you, park there, park there, park there, park there. When you are not a criminal, you are well dressed, you are going for your office. They might take away, take like 30 minutes away from your time that day. Sometimes on the late they go walk. A well-organized and arranged society. My people now go back, bear with me. Everything will be fine very soon. Now bear with me, eh? A well-organized and arranged society. Well-organized and arranged society. Not a society where the people you elect into power, cause they use power drone, cause they marginalize you, they oppress you, they kill you, they take your right from you. It's not done anywhere in the world. It's not done anywhere in the world. These people, these individuals that are in power today, these people who ruled your father, they have ruled you, and they want to extend it by ruling your children, and they are gradually extending power to their children. The thing say they'll go call the video, everything go end. Even for that date, so the video they say let it be protest. The protest of the third for over 4 days now. These protests have been peaceful. Let them be peace. They take the video saying for 4 days now we have been on the street and this protest has been peaceful. You are not to come here and tell us that make it peaceful. Until the government tell us, say, give us reason not for it to be peaceful. Then all those women, all those they go enter their body, may we run the things, they'll run the things. What did they happen? Man, they died twice. And I see the death of the boy when they killed yesterday for Maliki platform. Now for call they watch him. Maliki, they shoot that boy. Una not supposed to contemplate how una won't do that boy pass. Anybody when they shoot, una go they dump him for government front for them, make they chop him. I see one come and say, let's donate money, 1,000, 500. Let's donate money. 1,000, 500, 200. I'm not saying I love on I love, but that is so now the responsibility of government. If I say they won't bury that guy, it is the responsibility of government to do so. I be go person picking die for protest. Only 1,000 to 200. Go donate. Go put the boy for this thing. Who come be who they won't hold as in responsible for the death? Now kill him. Una go dump process. Many things go down for the protest. Say they kill only one person. I like question when one boy come outside and say, stop asking for this money. Stop begging for this money. Stop donating money. So if you na missing 4 grand die, now go they donate 20 naira, 30 naira. Now go bury me like that. Now go bury me like that. The person when send that squad, when go shoot that guy, the person send those people when go shoot that young people should be held accountable. That is the more reason why you are still fighting today. Fighting for accountability. People when you go they hold accountable for anything when go wrong as a people. It's not only just to say because without they do one, we will not daily Libya. You are not in Libya. You are not in desert. You are fighting for something. You are a protesters. And if anybody gets shot, take it to government house. They go make preparation, give it burial. Not just bury the person with one thing for that place. At least you are not, this will not be say na revolution of you want another country. You are still shacking of Nigeria, and your government sends somebody come in, they call key person for that place. Nigerian, the government should be held accountable. You are not a group of people. You are there in the name of Nigeria, protesting. You are not an association, no. When you go say now, let our association gather money and bury this guy. No. It is the government to give that young guy a befitting burial. Life. They know they donate money put. So make this protest as in the kind of mindset one are supposed to get for this protest. Mona start to prepare on their mind for all those things. Very important. Very, very important. If una do that kind of thing, everybody eyes here. Fear go see enter some people body. Fear no go let them do. And not say those una wey be celebrities, so now they do and make it be say after the protest, make they not call the drag us up and down. After the protest, make they not call they not go drag any of you. Are not the leader of that protest. If I were you there for floor member. And it's still good as una dey hear una celebrity they speak, because if you say no, una not dey hear from people like the Eze Idiara na, you name dey funny me, Eze Idiara na Zubi na. If you say una not dey hear from people like them, una not dey hear from people like the Wizkid now. If a person like me they talk, una fit not listen. Una fit not listen. At least it's good that they are out there speaking for you. I see when Wizkid they attack Loretta Onoshie. He attack her where. That is how it is. And all his fans go after Loretta Onochie because he's speaking on behalf of them. They will go after her. Freedom is not giving. Freedom is taking. I appreciate all of you now. All the Nigerian youth, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you now for this, as in this step on I take. This protest where they doesn't waiting to trigger this fight now, this recent one. So now that young man with the key for Ugeli, now trigger now. When protests hit Abuja, hit Lagos, hit everywhere. Because they tell them every day, all blood not be the same. They can keep people in here. There are some spirit. They will not let you to just, because that was not their wish. They don't be how they prepare or God tell them say they will live for their life. You come they as they take their life shortly, their spirit go fight back. Just like what they did in what is it called? Enugu State. When our leader raised the banner of dragon. That is how it is. Just like what happened in America. They have been killing people, but just flood don't call. I thank you all very much. I appreciate you all very much for all the efforts, for all the strength, for all the ruggedity, for all the consistency. One I don't do for how many days now. I appreciate you now all. And we are solidly together in this. We are solidly together. And start to take note. When sometimes I used to send message to you back home that some of these our people in diaspora are very demonic. You don't know. Some of them, not all, some. Especially those presenters. They are very self-centered, very wicked, greedy souls. You there for abroad for how many years? You no make am. You no become anything. You are so wayward, useless. All of a sudden you don't discover media business. Then you don't reason normal like normal human being. You know the reason like normal human being again. You know reason like normal human being again. Because you don't discover a business where evil illiterate can do it. Our joy today is that we don't have a leader that is leading this our protest, but we have people accountable if anything go wrong. We have it. The Omo Agege are there, James Manager, Sayo Side, Okuwa, when sort it. Because if they won't come on, they will want to do something so that you go retain them from there, they will go to minister, from minister, they will they drum and back. It has end. It has end. And I know say wetin Nigerian government want to now. After this one, they'll go bring army come outside. The day army will come out on the streets to face this protester, that will be, now go see wetin go happen. We go start for the government house of Ugeli. We go start from the government state of Warri, Asaba, Abra, Imo, those states, Benin, as in Benin City, Ishaland, Awuchi. We go start for all the government house. Let we see one army for the streets. Let us see one army for the street first. See what we have. Mad people everywhere. Only una go different. Only una go different because you are used to evil. So used to evil. We have answers now. What are you still doing on this? You think you fool them the 7 times? You are fool 6 times. You think you fool them the 7th time? They say, get one proverb waiting for my waiting for my dialect. Say, if you want sleep deaf and dumb, you say you go carry your you say you go carry your manhood show her. Because if they tell her, you know they hear. If they explain, you know they hear. So you bring her the thing, you show her. So if they don't talk, they don't hear. So they don't bring her they don't bring her the cocoa. Give them, say this is as in now who will be this. Life is very short. Make use of it. Don't be self-centered. Don't be self. Life is not all about just you. It's not all about you. It's all about humanity. It's all about people around you. It's all about as in how you feel with people around you. You don't live a fulfilled life when you carry as in your speech, when you go for this speech, when you go save people, you don't live a fulfilled life. I'm telling you. You don't live a fulfilled life. Just like what some people, they go for media today, they won't go, they take credit for waiting the youth documents and when the youth, how many politicians they don't shoot for streets? When they won't go take credit, or those so-called people, when they go channel TV or they go media, go they take credit, say this and that one, so. Or one idiot say, if Obasanjo was the one in presidency, a president, would this protest continue? In time of Obasanjo, was all these things happening? May you not forget, so many of us, we witness Obasanjo regime. We witnessed it. This time around is not about Yoruba presidency. It's not about Igbo presidency. It's not about Ijaw presidency. It's not about Middle Belt presidency or Robo presidency. It's all about us. We the common people, we the citizens. It's all about us. It's not all about religion or about what do they call it? Political view or nonsense. No, it's about us. We that are when they suffer for where 2 elephants for fights. We the grass when they suffer for where 2 elephants for fight. It's about us. Don't let go. This opportunity, let's grab it and grab it where they know. They know. Let's take power from these tyrannies, these dictators. Take power from them. Take power from them. It is now or never again. At the same the last time for protest ground, to go come up cap for here, they fling the cap up and down. They do one for that place. Will they tell about good name and as a good name say as it take better pass riches. Our good name say better pass diamond and gold. How good name take better pass you dey live for mansion. Today you see people on the street, they say use Fela as a good reference, good example. You see people on the street, they use Mazi Odumewu Ojukwu, our eternal leader, as a good example and make good reference. You see people like Tom Sankara, you see people like Nelson Mandela. Good name is better than riches. Good name is better than gold and diamond. Because anytime you go use and pass road. When they try to let all those people, when they talk, say, when they do, what do they call them that time, take it back, after take it back, revolution. Not that, but when they try to explain the reason why that Nigerians are back behind, because of the person leading it or the person trying to lead that foundation, he don't have a good credibility to do that. He don't get good record. He never knew that a day like this will come. Even when he knows say he knows that things not their way. If they try to go against the people just to make relevant for him to get a stand. But today now when he want to make things right, it's not possible for him to do it because his name don't already condemn. His name don't condemn. So apart from saying the name revolution is too harsh, the person that laid the foundation is the perspective we Biafrans have viewed when they viewed all these things from. If it not be the perspective when the Nigerians of today or the Nigerians they view the matter for, but all together it go work for good for us, my people. Because our supreme leader don't continue talking. He said, however they choose, he said, "I'm win-win for us." He said, "How they choose big now win-win for us." Put an end to a dictator. He never had a good credibility. That is why he not get the opportunity to pull crowd. And you go see that yes, some people grievances today. Some individuals we never see know the problem why you see our supreme leader stand till today, and every Biafran agitators and every Biafrans all over the world stand on putting an end to Nigeria, because we know say our fundamental problem is started from the grassroots, as in the foundation of Nigeria, not just only as an individual or as anything. The foundation is our grass as a major problem. So in order to put an end to the problem, you must uproot that foundation. Uproot it. Some people they say, not that we don't know what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. Nnamdi Kanu is a good man. We know what he's saying, that is true. But why don't he call for better Nigeria? Why don't he come for this one? Let me tell you, if he were to be say our supreme leader, they call for better Nigeria by now, maybe if you're not even there for that place, they for don't buy him over. They for don't buy him off since. How can you better a foundation that is not good? You know, no saying a foundation of house, now they make house they strong, now they make house they stand, or now they make house they okay for people to live. You never see foundation when they don't lay well, when they collapse the food, kill people every day on daily basis because the foundation was not well laid. How can you retain or fight for a name, a white man cross border, cross ocean, can't give you? You say you and you expect learned people who have studied, who have learned about the problem of Nigeria to accept to retain that kind of a name? Now people they give Gold Coast to, they say no, we are not Gold Coast to. Say no, we are Ghanaians. So. Now people they give voter region, they say no, we are not voter, say we are Burkina. So why are you still retaining that name? Why are you still retaining it? I'm not saying they are in any way better, but at least they are better. They have 24 hours of life. They have running water. Because they still get the sense to tell us, say, no, we are not Gold Coast, we are Ghanaians. Why do you want to rate Nigeria? That's not our topic for today. But our topic for today be say, fight, sustain the protest. There must be something good that will benefit you as a Nigerian before you enter us. Very important. Sustain it. Don't let them use their headline to deceive you. Don't let them deceive you with their headlines. Una don't dey fear. And they say we want swap. We say you don't want swap. We have not even brought out the swap. You say you don't want SARS. We have end SARS. The people know say SARS now their least problem self. The last time they check. Because you are the founder, you are the creator, you are the sponsor of that SARS. So they want to end you, do the sponsor. They won't end you now. Just end SARS. They want to end you all. Zubi say reform Nigeria. You don't know the meaning of that. He say reform Nigeria. Fellow Biafra, maybe they will go. Maybe we should explain to them the meaning of reform Nigeria. Maybe we should explain to them better. Because some of them, they don't know. It is now or never again. Our generation is blessed. Our time, we are blessed. We are blessed. So people now, the news don't they go now. Say some Yoruba leaders, they don't want to sabotage. Because at the time of every day, say these people they be heavyweight champion. They want to try to sabotage. No be saying now we they talk even when there are people now they talk and say they won't try to sabotage, they won't try to hijack this struggle, this protest, but it will never work. You see all those people waiting for toll gate, they're all strong. You see all those people waiting for Lagos. So no one don't come and say no, I'm I not there. Come outside now, the nursing you not there because if he boss, we start from the government as in Lagos, we start from Asaba, we start we go to Ishaland, we start from we say we go to Ishaland, we start from Ishaland, we start from Mugeli, we start from everywhere. Every government as every police as every will be dismantled before we will take it to federal. So Mona get it on a score. Mona get it, make it sink wella. Imo, I don't know. Better. You know, say talks better. And I tried to tell our people the last time. I said, don't say this person is not saboteur. This person is not saboteur. Let something that is happening as something when if maybe something they happen for Ughelli, and they keep people for Ughelli, then the governor of Delta State, he can support the people. Then you can say that person is not a saboteur. You have not had a mega rally, a mega protest. You don't conclude that the person not be saboteur. Do you know the frustration? Do you know the heat when IPOB they give on daily basis? They never start protest now. The two people don't go down, be 3 people. What about protest to divide the country? Call heat. Now everybody go down for that, and nothing will happen. If a protest of separating Nigeria call hit that place, I go be. Will you say they are not saboteur? Or will you just say they are not enough strategies never they make the key people? Or will you say they are not they never show enough rugality, the key people? For this matter, we sit down gidigba. We go nowhere. No matter anything we face, we sit down gidigba for the matter. We go nowhere. Oh. Because freedom for one and freedom for all. Injustice against one and injustice against all. These the indigenous people that is trapped in the damnable Republic called Nigeria, we are all out to speak out as in for freedom. No going back about it. And the end, victory shall be ours. I see that woman when they cry away for movie. Nah, I don't know that time they feel say the woman na Calabar woman or Calabar Biafran woman. No, I don't know, but I see the woman when he talk say which size they end. He say they use all they do tomborimbo from south to south. He say he don't even want the end south. He say let them end the Constitution of 1999. Those are the people who really know the Constitution. Politician, whether you are a PDP, whether you are APC, whether you are from the pit of the air, that's not my problem. Everybody should stay clear for this matter. We the youth, we are out to take our freedom and take it by force. It's by force. Excuse me. Oh, now they say they don't want make people, they don't want sit down for house for coronavirus. They don't want people, they protest for streets. Say no, they don't want to sit down for us. Now you come and say you don't have lights, you don't have water, you don't have hospital, you don't have security. People are dying, and you don't expect them to come on the streets, really? And they never met their demands. You expect them to go back inside? It's not possible, man. It's not possible. And may they not even bring corona. Corona won't kill me, you go. Everybody with corona won't kill, go. We see this protest, it continue to infinity, to total victory. After all, Donald Trump, they say catch corona, it not reach 3 days away. So now you wake up a young person, that corona won't kill. Who did they deceive? Who did they deceive? We are here to take our freedom in our hands. As the youth of this generation, we are blessed and we are here to take. Gone are those days that we rule our life into one leader, saying a leader. And that same leader, when they rule their life, they put so, their hand they put so. Now it make everything delay to this extent. I'm representing, I'm a spokesman of, what did they call her? Senate. I'm a spokesman of a Senate. Who you help? You be when you don't spoke. Since when you don't spoke, what it crap, what it change? You they mad? What it change? You call the time from my phone. They tell us that you are a spokesman of Senate. And so what? Are you not there, or were you not there when they have been passing all those rubbish bills to destroy us? All the bills they have been passing in Senate. Are you not there as their spokesman? Man, you want to come and claim spokesman. We are very angry, very angry. Maybe all those our youth went there for water now, went there for Mediterranean Sea, went there for desert now. If they were, as in those ones, then when they even return, go back. Because they talk every day, even some of us when we dey for them, we talk. We say if you will not fit enter Europe, say they carry us go back. We dey talk for them. We say now bank straight. We want go the rob bank. If we just sit down frustration, you enter our body. We go say if we not enter Europe, if we reach Nigeria, I go hot. I'm robber go yapa. We go dey rob every. You go your day house. SARS go your from back. Don't you jump enter inside school? You go your the sleep. Oh, don't you go there? You pick the youths. Pick them. Even their parents not go see them with eyes. Even their parents go away. Kill them throw away. If you not kill you throw away, if you won't pay your picking, if you don't hold no less than $500,000, that is equivalent to sell that kidney, that is equivalent to sell that liver, that is equivalent to sell those organs. They will not release your child for you. Let me say that picking get good head. If you not get good head, self before you can don't poof am. As in mail out in organs to Indian. But yeah, if they not be the last time, then they say, oh okay. What be that one when they feel something for this thing that day? or juice or kalu. No be won't go this to that. They won't go replace in manhood. Where they foresee another one. But people want to not be laughing matter, but the thing not funny. But I don't know as I tell. No, he say they go in there that the way we catch and tell and say if they will go kill her. Not be it stop, he not go again. If you want to go, they do the one live as Zoom India. That's to show you an Indian. They are doing that business with India. That is why they say to go Indian visa very free. They transport the organs there and go and be refilling. They say that you're gonna say APC, go they shout for this thing. You go they say, but this man is old, man. Don't get this kind of energy. Why won't he be shout like that when the 24 years old organ, 24 years old boy organ is working in his body? Why won't he be shout? His skin might be squeezed, his face might be squeezed, but the organs, as in they are young, just like a car. You buy old car now, you go put new engine. You gonna see that car strong, but the body na jalopy, the body na gwaka. But in the engine na sampe, they can't pay. They would go rally because this they know they fall sick. My grandfather that their age mate, they are there. He's there. He now walking stick. Now they use because his organs are not young organs. He has not changed anyone. He has not changed anyone. They go drop about the guy. Uzam. Strength. Organ. We strength. Young organs in their body. Walking. Oshomo le go carry young shine bobo for Kevet. Which organ? As old as Oshomo le, if they say, I beg you. My people, the situation in Nigeria is very terrible. If we sit down, they analyze Nigeria matter according to people, Irobo Biafra. They say, Okikekpo, that is night go cash. Okikekpo, Asokacha, the night go cover, the day go cover. But with the red and short. In 2018, if my people remember, when some people they talk say, "Hey, now let you want fight the Biafra," I say anything by anything to make sure say I protect say IPOB see they in existence because my Yoruba people must wake up and come and join IPOB. My Ijaw, my Isoko, my Bini people, my Ishan people, they must all wake to come and join IPOB. So fighting or protecting the interests of Biafra through IPOB is my first priority, and I will do it with all pleasure. Because everybody must wake up. Everybody must wake up. Because this matter na collective effort, na collective as in contribution. Collective contribution. Don't come here and paint IPOB this and IPOB that one, then when I call crumble IPOB, then nothing. The reason why some Yoruba leaders are scared today, you don't know. Some of us don't know. You don't know. Because they don't say IPOB is on our region to calm everything down. It's our region. If anything, now say those Yoruba people when they mumu so say all this will do the agitation, they not support them. They not support them. They can't go they mumu say when like this, they go see what it go happen. Thank you very much, my wonderful people, great Biafran, friends of Biafra, people of goodwill all over the world. I love una so much, and I'll continue to love una. Now, this small piece of message, I say make a call quickly drop today because if you don't tell when woman pregnant, it go reach to deliver. If you don't tell when you carry load, you go see reach a time when you go say, this load not too heavy, me make a drop am. That is one of the philosophy of life. If you carry load for any time, every time will come, say, ah, make I see drop this load first. Even when a woman is pregnant, after 9 months, you not deliver, tensions everywhere. That is how it is today. It has overdue for us to be free. It has overdue. What? For over 100 years since Nigeria is created, we don't live any life of as a normal human being. When Oyibo people see they in charge, they see good. They see they see now you make you they see all those miserable intellectuals. They say this and that one when they go free school. So then when we see the people like all they talk, they say enter as you not go school. We were not opportune to go free school. You just say you get people we not like to as in your class, even if you don't want to be one kind professor or anything. You don't people they were not like when they don't want to be educated at all. They were not opportune. In your time, you were given free book, free pencil, free slate, free chair for school. You were not paying school fees. Am I lying? Wicked souls. You destroy everything. You could not manage it. You destroy it. Now you want us to listen to you, you miserable individual politician in that place. Thank you very much, my people. Thank you very, 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 very much. One love, my people. We are in full support of this protest. We are all in it together as end SARS, as end police brutality, as end this injustice in Nigeria. As give every indigenous people in Nigeria freedom. As freedom for all. Freedom for all. Thank you very much. Maybe one of these days, if I don't get stable internet, I go start to take small call. We go do a small. We no go to make noise because when we start this broadcast today, somebody call hit from window. Go. Because I know now if I talk, so the neighbors are disturbed. So I thank you very, very much, my wonderful people. I look forward to see you now some other time. That is why I tell you. Mona go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even at the page now, if you say I don't complete that 1K, now go to stream live. It's not just all about say anything, about making use of it. Making use of it. If Facebook they misbehave, we go YouTube. Just like if I was supreme that day for NAS, Facebook they misbehave, you go say go to YouTube, go to Radio Biafra, community, so that we'll have other means. You go have other means. There's no other means for me to do live broadcast now, if not for Facebook. And Facebook is disturbing me. They are disturbing me. Now, they don't hack my page. You know, good make all if your day only here for live broadcast. If you are not blocked, I say, okay, my people, let's go to YouTube. If possible, after everything, we can recopy the video and paste it on any platform we want to paste it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. We don't go far where we are. We don't go for 841 subscribers now, and we need another 159 to complete it. If we don't fit do and reach this level, we go fit to finish am. And this subscribing not be money, or you no go pay. Now just go there, subscribe. You dey subscribe for other people. You know if you subscribe for a person when they talk about your freedom. My lovely people. You are going on. You don't see what miscreants have done. Can't you see what miscreants have done? Uneducated people. Can't you see how far they have come? We are not saying our leader saying do not hashtag the zoo. No, not be that one now. End SARS. End police brutality. We need good road. We need good light. Reform Nigeria. So we must continue. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let me shout out to my people. King Mighty, I see you this time. Are just joining us. We are going now. Egiato Lawrence, I see you there. Best Way, I see you there. Ashend Sass, Ashend Police Brutality, Chidoke, Esene, Christopher, I see you there. Kenneth Egu, I see you there. Beyonce, I see you there. Matilda, I see you there. Augustine Peters, I see you there. Queen P, I see you there. Thank you all very much. Nedu Chooks, I see you there. Vivian, I see you all there. Thank you very much. I go see you that time. If you never like this page, maybe somebody just share this video, give you. May you like this page. Now you go for the see us now, because that other page they don't hack on. And if you get any opportunity, go and report it so that they will bring the page down totally. Because that person cannot just be there and be doing rubbish with that page. So thank you very, very much. I look forward to see you next time. Thank you so much. One love, my people. End SARS now, end police brutality, end insecurity, end everything, end the goal that is against the support of the good side of the humanity, people that are living in Nigeria. Thank you. All hail Biafra. Okay, just search Omote Biafra on YouTube. You will see it. I get 841 at that time, as in the last time when I check them. So my subscribers don't reach 80. So if you say maybe don't pass like that, then you know say that my own 8 something now. So please, thank you very much. Okay, we are taking this small. Our supreme leader say when you born small pikin, you don't need to give am puree or give am what did they call am? Pounded yam, or go they give am this thing. He say you start with water. You give him water. You give him water. You give him milk, breast milk. You give him breast milk. You go they grow. So the intestine will come strong to eat better food. Because we talk and our supreme leader say explain on the level when me say me too. Say it be like say the world revolution now. See they harsh and they excuse me. They're scary for them because some of them they have company, some of them they get interest, they get 1 or 2 businesses what they do for that place. But a time go come, I'm not sure say all those things go feel as in stop any revolution to happen in that country. So thank you very much. Look forward to all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. IPOB one family IPOB. Ashend SARS now. Thank you.